Hello friends, welcome to Idli Indulgence. In this channel, we explore the delicious world of South Indian dish called idlis. We have an interesting tropical twist recipe today. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to explore pineapple idli. I'm thinking of making it in two ways. One is a sweet version with pineapple and Splenda, and a savory version with pineapple and chili powder and salt. Let's see which one tastes better. For this recipe, I have idli batter in 2 cups, chopped pineapple pieces, Splenda for the sweet version, chili powder and salt for the savory version. Let's prep the idli batter. I'm using Splenda for sweetness. You can use any sugar, like brown sugar, white sugar, or any other sugar substitute as well. You can also increase and decrease the sugar content based on your preference. Okay, this is ready. Let's prep the savory version. Again, you can increase or decrease the chili powder based on your preference. If you like, you can also use other ingredients like jalapeno and pineapple, green chili and pineapple, so on. You can explore some more versions as well. Both are ready. Let's prep the mold and we'll cook it. As usual, I have cooking spray here. I'm going to spray a little bit to make it easy for it to come out. I have 2 plates of the sweet version and 2 plates of the savory version. It's time to cook.
"15 minutes later."
I can really smell the pineapple. Let's let it cool down a little bit and then take it out the mold and do the tasting. It looks beautiful and smells really good. Let's see how it tastes. First we'll try the sweet version. It's really nice. The sourness from the pineapple creates a really nice contrast to the sweetness. It's really good overall. It's almost like a dessert. I really like it. Since we put the pineapple as pieces, it creates a nice texture, when you bite into it. So that's nice as well. Okay, let's try the savory version now. when I bite into it, I get that instant punch from the pineapple. The chili flavor is like at the end, like aftertaste. So still, I like it as well. Overall, I really like both. This one was sweet and punchy, and this one had the punchy flavor and the subtle spiciness at the end. So overall, it really came out well, better than I hoped. This is the first time I'm doing a fruit version, so I was pleasantly surprised with this result. It's like a more fun way to make a boring idli to a fun snack for the evening. You folks try it at home as well and let me know how it came for you in the comment section below. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe for more idli adventures. See you in the next video soon. Take care.